Hello there, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be having a look at some of the advanced techniques that you can use in Merrily Kiss the Quaker. There's lots and lots of things we can do, particularly, well, in all the parts really, there's lots of space. The second part's, it's already quite driving with the rhythm, but there's a few bits we can do, but the third part, there's a lot of rolls. Okay, so let's just crack straight into it, have a look at that tune. Okay, so the first phrase, going to treble that D, and it is a quick treble. Then we're going to treble the A in the second phrase. And we're going to play a chord of G and B when we get to the end of the line. In the second part, bit more to do here. So we're turning each of those G's into trebles. Then we're going to treble the long A again. And the AGA, sorry, you can also do a treble that. So you've got double trebles. Those first two phrases. Phrase 3 repeats. And then the chords at the end for phrase 4. Moving into the third part. That's the one I like. Treble the G, treble the A, and then D, and then we're doing the B, C, D triplet going up. Then we're going to treble this next long G, and then we're going to treble the A as well. So those first two phrases. Third phrase. Treble the G, treble the F sharp, treble the E, and then a chord at the end. And that's your third phrase. Let's go through that third part together. That's everything we got for Merrily Kiss the Quaker. Okay, so now you've got an idea of some of the ornamentation that you can use. We're just going to play through it together. I'm going to throw in as much of the ornamentation as I can, and it'll give you an idea of how it's going to sound in the tune. If for any reason you stumbled on this video and you haven't learned the tune, I'll put a link on the screen now to go back and learn Merrily Kiss the Quaker. Anyway, here we go. Here's the tune. Got my plaque. Okay, hope that's useful. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one.